Today we are going to be talking about how to use Google Chat as a virtual assistant. Google Chat is one of the communication tools that you need to know how to use effectively as a virtual assistant. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and hit on the notification bell so that when I post more important and educational videos like this, you can get notified and watch immediately. So let's get right into it.
So this is how our Google Chat interface looks like. So you can go directly to your browser and search for Google Chat, or you download the app on your phone. And if you're finding it difficult to log in directly from your browser, just click on these 9 dots here on your Google Apps and you scroll down to look for what Google Chat. So you see chat here, just click on it and you are in. Now, this is how the interface looks like. Once you, the first thing we have here is what your Google logo here. If I want to call hide this interface, I'm clicking here and this part will be what hidden. If I want to collapse it, I come here and I'm going to collapse it to make it what very, very visible. Now, once I click on this new chat, it allows me to what add people. Let's take, for instance, you're working as an executive virtual assistant and your client is using Google Chat as their communication tool. They are going to collect your email account and what add you to their workspace. So once they collect your account or your Google account or whatever account you use, they add you to their space. And to create a space, this space means it's something like group chat. We all use WhatsApp. Yes, most of us use WhatsApp. And on your WhatsApp, you have something like group chat. So that is what this means. So let's say, for instance, you're working in an organization where they have executive virtual assistant, customer support representative, sales representative, lead generation specialist. So you have a lot of categories like that. So they can what create different groups so that everybody can go directly to whatsoever group they belong to. You understand? So that is how this one works. So once they create it, they add you into the right scene. Yeah, into the right space. Now, for this browse space, let's take for example, we have a lot of space here, and I want to search for executive assistant. I can come here and search for it. You want to search for apps, you can come here. And if you see receive any message request, you can see it here. Message request, if you have two message requests, you can see it here. And that is how it works. Now you also have your mentions. Same thing. Let's take for instance, somebody tagged you at WhatsApp. You can see, oh, before you even open that your group chat, you can see at you can see everybody that mentioned you or tagged you. Yes. So you can see it here. Now you can also see all your start messages. Let's say any message that you find that, oh, this message is very, very important. You can come here and we'll start them. And you can see all of your start messages here. And you can also see what all your direct messages. Yeah. Direct messages are like, oh, somebody sent you a direct DM. Oh, I'm sending a message to my uh, boss directly. I'm sending a message to one of my team member directly. You understand? So you can see all your direct messages. Yeah, and anyone that someone sent to you, you can also see it here. Now, you can also set yourself as what active as a way. So when you come to work, it is important that you always what set yourself as active so that you can see that oh, this person is what available at the moment. You can also what set at do not disturb. You can set yourself as a way. Yeah. Let's say, for instance, I'm currently not available to work, or let's say, for instance, I'm not currently working. I can set myself at a way so that is not active and they'll be like, okay, I'm currently online and I'm not responding to maybe messages that they sent to me. So you can also what do your notification settings here. You can also add your status here. So let's take for instance, you can add your own, like create your customize your own. If you are on vacation, you can create it here like that. Or you are currently on break, you can create here and you add the status to what we already have here. Now you can also check all your unread messages. You can also check threads. Let's take for instance, there's a particular topic they are talking about and you want to reply to that thread or you want to see all the threads, you can click on it and you see all of that. So Google Chat is a very simple and easy an easy tool to use. Yes. Let's take, for instance, you want to search for a particular chat. Just go to your search bar here and you can search for either people or what, or your spaces. And I said spaces are what? Your group chat. So that is that about that. These things are what? Are not hard. You just have to what? Practice. Just say, I always advise my students to what? Practice and practice and practice. Yes. So that will be all for today. So thank you so much for watching. And do not forget, registration for our next virtual assistant training is currently ongoing. If you're interested to become a virtual assistant, please do send a DM and we are going to get you started. All right. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.